Hey there, incredible moms. We know the postpartum period can be overwhelming, and it's easy to forget about your own needs while caring for your little one. The truth is, taking care of yourself is just as important. In today's video, we're sharing a vital postpartum self-care checklist that will help you nurture your soul, body, mind, and relationships. Let's jump in and make your postpartum journey a little easier and a lot more joyful. First, let's focus on your soul. It's essential to find moments of peace and positivity amidst the chaos. Here are some tips. Meditate. Take a few minutes each day to sit quietly and focus on your breath. Practice deep breathing exercises. This can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Write in a journal. Reflecting on your thoughts and feelings can be therapeutic. Spend time in nature. A walk in the park or simply sitting outside can do wonders for your spirit. Practice gratitude. Each day, write down a few things you're thankful for. Focus on the positive. Try to see the good in each day, no matter how small. Let's talk about caring for your body. Your body has gone through a lot, and it deserves some love and care. Get plenty of rest and sleep. Prioritize rest whenever you can, even if it means napping during the day. Eat a healthy and balanced diet. Nourish your body with nutritious foods to help it recover. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Take a relaxing bath or shower. This can be a great way to unwind and soothe your muscles. Engage in gentle exercise. When you feel ready, light activities like walking or stretching can help you feel more energized. Focus on the positive. Remember to be kind to yourself and appreciate the amazing work your body has done. Now, let's focus on your mind. Keeping your mind engaged and relaxed is crucial. Read a book. Escape into a good story or learn something new. Listen to music. Play your favorite songs to lift your mood. Learn a new skill. Whether it's cooking, crafting, or anything else, learning can be a great mental boost. Take up a hobby. Dedicate some time to something you love doing. Spend time with friends. Social interactions can be very refreshing. Practice mindfulness. Being present in the moment can help reduce anxiety. Finally, let's talk about relationships. Building a strong support system is essential. Spend quality time with your partner. Reconnect and support each other. Connect with other new parents. Sharing experiences can be very reassuring. Reach out to friends for help. Don't hesitate to ask for support when you need it. Reach out to family for support. Family can be a great source of comfort. Set boundaries with those who are not supportive or helpful. It's important to protect your mental well-being. Remember, taking care of yourself is just as important as taking care of your baby. You deserve to feel supported and cared for during this time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with other new moms. See you next time.